Welcome to Learn Yourself. In this video, we are going to learn about exercise 5.2 from lines and angles. Exercise 5.2, question number 1. State the property that is used in each of the following statement. So here they have given some of the statement and we have to check that which property they have used here and they have written this statement. So our first statement is if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Now they have said that angle 1 is equals to angle 5 and they have also said that A is parallel to B. Let us check here. Line A, line B, they both are parallel to each other and angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Now based on which angle property angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So we have to write here that what types of angles are they, and based on that they are equals. So angle 1 and angle 5, they are corresponding angles. If you have any doubts regarding these angles and types of angles, please refer my video based on angles formed via transversal of the parallel lines. Second, if angle 4 is equals to angle 6, then A is parallel to B. Now, what types of angles are this, and based on that they are equals, and so that we can say that line A is parallel to line B. So angle 4 and angle 6, they are interior angle and they are diagonally opposite to each other, so that's why they are alternate interior angles and that's why they are equal. And based on that we can say that line A is parallel to line B. Third statement, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree, then A is parallel to B. Now let us understand this. Angle 4 and angle 5, the sum of these angles will be 180 degree because they are the angles, they are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So they are supplementary and that's why the addition of their sum will be 180 degree. Exercise 5.2, question number 2. In the adjoining figure, we have to identify these 4 types of angles from this given figure. So let us take first one, the pair of corresponding angles. So our first pair will be angle 4 and angle 8. So angle 4 and angle 8. Now let us talk about second pair. So angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Now next pair is angle 3 and angle 7. And the last one will be angle 2 and angle 6. So as you can see, line will change, but the position of the angles will remain same. Now this kind of angles are corresponding angles. Second, pairs of alternate interior angles. Now understand here that those angles should be interior. Now what all are interior angles? These 4 are interior angles. Now along with the interior angles we are finding out alternate interior angles. So diagonally opposite angles will be alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and 5, they are alternate interior angles, that is first pair. So angle 3 and angle 5, they are alternate. As you can see, they are diagonally opposite and they are interior. Now second pair, as you can guess, the second pair will be 2 and 8. They are diagonally opposite, they are interior also. So angle 2 and angle 8. Now third, the pairs of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now let us check for the interior angles. So these 4 are interior angles, 3, 2, 8 and 5. Now we are talking about the angles which are on the same side of transversal. So this line is a transversal, same side of transversal will be angle 3 and angle 8. So this is the first pair. First pair is angle 3 and angle 8. Now let us check for the second pair. So second pair here is angle 2 and angle 5. So angle 2 and angle 5 will be another pair. Here you cannot copy this question from the textbook's given example because they have changed the order of these angles. If you will compare this with the textbook figure where they have explained you about the types of angles, you cannot write those angles here because they have changed the order. Now fourth one is vertically opposite angles. If we will see the figure, then over here the first pair will be this, angle 4 and 2. Then second pair will be this, angle 3 and angle 1. So angle 4 and angle 2. Second pair will be angle 3 and angle 1. Now let us talk about another pairs of angles. So here we will get angle 6 and angle 8. So angle 8 and angle 6. Now last pair will be angle 7 and angle 5. So we will get total 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Exercise 5.2, question number 3. In the adjoining figure, line P is parallel to line Q. Find the unknown angles. So here one of the angles measure they have given, that is 125 degree. We have to find out all the other angles. Now as you can see here, angle 125 degree and angle D, they both are corresponding angles. So the measures of these angles will be same. Because of that, angle D's measure will be 125 degree. Now we know that angle D's measure is 125 degree. So diagonally opposite this angle will be vertically opposite angle, and measure of these two angles will be same. That angle B and angle D's measure will be same. And because of that, angle B's measure will be 125 degree. Now from the figure we can see that angle F and angle D, they both are forming a linear pair. So summation of their measure will be 180 degree. They are interior angles which are on the same side of transversal. So they are supplementary. And because of that, angle F plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree because they are supplementary. Now we know that angle D is 125 degree. So from this we can find out measure of angle F, and that will be, so from this we can find out measure of angle F, and that will be 180 minus 125 will be 55 degree. Angle F is 55 degree. Now angle F and angle C, they are corresponding angles. And because of that, they both are equal. So angle C will be equals to 55 degree. Now as you can see, angle A and angle C, they both are vertically opposite angles. So that's why they are also equal. And the reason here is vertically opposite angle. Now from the figure we can see that angle B and angle E, they both are corresponding angles, and that's why they are equal. So angle E will be equal to angle B, and that will be equal to 125 degree because they are corresponding angles. So with the help of properties of angles, we found out measure of all the angles. Exercise 5.2, question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figure if L is parallel to M. So here they have given us two lines, that L and M, they both are parallel to each other. And we have to find out the measure of angle x. Here as we can see, angle 110 degrees measure they have given it to us. One more angle over here, and we will give a name, that is angle 1. Then 110 degree and angle 1, they both are corresponding angles. That means their measures will be equal. You can see here angle 1 and x, they both are forming a linear pair. So summation of their measures should be 180 degree. We know that angle 1's measure is 110 degree. From this we can find out angle x measure. So angle x equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So angle x equals to 70 degree. Our second example, in this we have to find out this angle x measure. As you can see here, 100 degree angle and angle x, they both are corresponding angles. So that's why their measures should be equal. So directly we will get an answer from here that they both are corresponding angles. So angle x measure will be 100 degree. Exercise 5.2, question number 5. In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. If angle ABC is 70 degree, as they have said it here and shown it here that this angle is 70 degree, then find DGC. So we have to find this angle, that what will be the measure of this angle, and DEF. So DEF will be this. These two angles measure we have to find out. Now I have extended these two lines like this. So as you can see, line AB is parallel to line DE. We are talking about this line and this line. These two lines are parallel to each other. So first one, angle D, G and C. So as you can see here, angle 70 degree and this angle, they both are corresponding angles. So measure of these two angles will be equal. So here we got our first answer, that angle DGC equals to 70 degree because both of these angles measures will be equal. We have to find out a measure of angle DEF. So this is 70. This also we found out that it is 70 degree and we have to find out the measure for this. Now as you can see, for the line BC and for the line EF, this DE will be the transversal. So 70 degree and this angle DEF will be corresponding angles so that their measures will be equal. And because of that, angle DEF's measure will be 70 degree. Exercise 5.2, question number 6. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M or not. So we have to decide as per the angles property. Now as you can see here, this first angle is 126 degree and this second angle is 44 degree. As per our angles, these two angles are the interior angles which are on the same side of transversal. This should be supplementary. That means their summation should be 180 degree. Let us check that. 126 degree plus 44 degree is equals to 170 degree, and it is not 180 degree and they are not supplementary. So that's why L is not parallel to M. Our second example. So here they have given us two angles measure, that is 75 degree, and second angle is over here, that is also 75 degree. Now let us assume one more angle here, and these two angles are vertically opposite to each other. So that's why this angle's measure will also be 75 degree, and I am giving a name to this angle is 1. So angle 1 equals to 75 degree as they are vertically opposite angle. Now this angle 1 and this 75 degree angle, they both are interior angles and they are on the same side of transversal. This line is a transversal. So they are on the same side of transversal. So they should be supplementary. So angle 1 plus 75 degree angle, the summation of these two angles should be 180 degree. because they should be supplementary. Now angle 1's measure is 75 degree plus 75 degree is 150 degree, but it is not 180 degree. So they are not supplementary, and because of that line L and M, they are not parallel. So as they are not supplementary, line L is not parallel to M. Our third example, as you can see in the figure, this angle 75 degree and this angle, they both are corresponding angles. So this angle's measure should be 75 degree as they are corresponding angles. So let us give name to this angle, that angle 1. Angle 123 degree and angle 1, they both are forming linear pair. So summation of these two angles should be 180 degree. So as they are forming linear pair and addition of the measures sum is 180 degree, line L is parallel to M. A fourth example. Here let us guess one more angle, and that is angle 1. So 72 degree angle and angle 1, they both are forming linear pair. So 72 degree plus angle 1 should give us 180 degree as they are forming linear pair. So angle 1's measure will be 180 degree minus 72 degree. So angle 1 will be, now angle 1 and 98 degree, they both are corresponding angles. So their measure should be equal, but here they are not equal. So that's why line L is not parallel to M. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.